Hello everyone, I'm now at the International Molding Exhibition, and today I'd like to introduce to you the bending machine we've brought to this event. This is a fully electric bending machine. As you can see, our color scheme is very attractive with a combination of white and blue, and it also features LED light strips. This is a fully electric 6-axis bending machine with a pressure of 35 tons and a bending length of 1.2 meters. Our standard configuration includes 6 axes, equipped with 2 4-axis motors, and its back gauge will automatically move forward, backward, left and right according to our bending position. Now, let's take a look at our quick clamp, which also comes standard with a quick change clamp. When we need to switch out the bending die in the middle, with traditional quick clamps, we have to remove all the upper dies from the side one by one before we can replace the middle bending die. But on this machine, which comes standard with a quick change clamp, we just need to open it. Flip your hand, press our quick change mechanism, and you can quickly replace the die. Installing it is just as easy. You can change whichever part you want, wherever you want. As you can see, it's extremely convenient. Next, let's take a look at our safety light curtain. Our standard safety light curtain will detect when your hand enters the bending area and will stop the bending process. This is to protect our workers' hands and can greatly reduce safety risks. Now let's take a look at our operating system. We come standard with a 15-inch display. One of the unique features of our system is the 2D bending simulation. Here is our workpiece. When we want to perform a bend, we can quickly input the shape directly. Right now, we're bending this section. First, we import the step drawing for the bending process, and at this point, the graphics for these 2 steps are already displayed. Next, as long as we change the length or angle, we can quickly input and generate our bending step. After we finish entering the data, we can take a look at our bending simulation. At this point, you may notice that some issues can occur during the bending process. When this happens, we can change our bending steps or switch to a different die, such as replacing it with a closed position upper die. Let's look at our second distinctive feature. We can quickly calculate the required pressure based on the thickness of our sheet. For example, when our thickness is 0.8, and we switch it to 1, you can see that the pressure here is 5.8 tons. When we change the sheet thickness to 3, you can see that the pressure here becomes 60.8 tons. Of course, we can also adjust the pressure automatically based on the width of our sheet. So our bending light is very easy to operate. It doesn't require lengthy training. Next, let's take a look at how our bending process is actually carried out. You can see that our back gauge is now moving automatically, and our technician is currently programming according to the bending workpiece. All right, we're starting the bending process now. You can see that the bending speed is very fast. This machine can achieve a bending speed of 1.5 seconds per stroke, and the back gauge will automatically move according to the bending positions we just programmed. You can clearly see that our small cart is precisely bent with truly great precision. Every single seam lines up absolutely perfectly. So is everyone genuinely interested in our remarkable 3512 model? If you are indeed interested, please feel free to leave a thoughtful comment below, and I will promptly send you all the detailed information.